Okay, guys, I'm back. All right, I want to talk about the tangent. Well, first of all, let's get up to the top. I want to flap my gums so you guys will understand and do yourself a favor. You see up here, that's my letterhead. It's like a business card. Got my contact data. All right, you can contact me many ways. Take a screenshot. The guy that did, the guy contestant number two did that, and we communicated very well. He got my email and my phone, and we've been working together, and he put out a pretty nice piece. I want to give everybody the luxury of doing the same thing. Take a screenshot, okay? Let me go up here. Obviously, we're talking about the tangent tool giveaway. What I'm saying is, whoever wins this burnishing tool contest will be able to pick any one of the tools that we make and sell. And I'll show you all of them in a few minutes. Hang on, right? We're talking about contestant number two. To do it, here's the deal. You send me a picture, I do it up like I'm gonna show you now, and we post it. We'll put them all together, and all the subscribers can pick the winner. I'm not picking anything but my nose. You understand? All right, let me get into it and show you how to send me a picture. First of all, when you send me a picture, I'd like it the smallest size that you can send me. You understand? I don't want one that's 1,000,000 gigabytes. Take a picture with your camera, select the smallest size, send it to me. But there's something you got to do now. Let me show you. You see how nice and straight that is across there? When you take the picture, here's what I'd like you to do. I'll show you now. You're going to hold the camera as close as you can. All right, now. You see that? That's the center line. You see how contestant number two held his camera? If he held it up at a 10-degree angle, I couldn't do anything with it. It's got to be held as straight as you can, like that. You see it? That's important. Small picture, hold the camera straight. I'll do the magic after. All right? Hang on now. All right. Now you see this? I'm showing what he got. Let me just adjust this height a little bit more. All right. See down below this, all this text. The material in that 3-jar chuck is 6061 aluminum. The diameter is 3/4 of an inch. All right. The turning RPM. You're gonna run your lathe at 2 different RPMs. When you turn, well, here's what he did. He turned at 385 revolutions per minute, right? And he burnished at 510 revolutions per minute, all right? The feed rate he used, right here, 6 thousandths per revolution, all right? To turn and burnish, both the same feed rate. He made 2 passes, all right? All right, you see that? All right, now I'm going to elaborate a little more. You see this says ball push, 0.015 DRO. What you going to do? Let me do this. I've done this before. I got to remember how to do this shit. All right, I remembered. Here we go. Here's what you do. You see, it says ball push 0.015 DRO. You come over here. That red dot represents the burnishing ball. You come over here and you just touch that turn diameter until the ball bearing starts to rotate. You know you're there. Zero, your DRO, right? Come off the piece over here and dial in 0.015 on your DRO. I'm going in a little further, okay? If you don't have a DRO on a dial indicator, you go in 0.0075. That's all right. You understand that? All right. Then you come out here, and you're gonna burnish at 6,000 per revolution. You're gonna be off the piece, set the feed, go in the distance you want to go, stop. Right? That's one pass. Reverse the feed, come out and off the piece. That's considered two passes. Okay? And you're doing that on this piece. He did it with no oil. He did it dry. He didn't need oil on aluminum. Huh? Okay, Jesus, this goddamn thing. All right? You see it? Now I'm going to show you. Just to further illustrate and be redundant. Like that big word, redundant. Wow. I'm drawing it this way. It's not going to go in a circular pattern, but whatever. So you're going to take this ball again. All right? And you see these arrows? It shows you're going to go in this way in a straight line to there at 6,000ths per revolution. Reverse the feed, you're going to come out off the piece. All right? That's considered two passes. All right? Just want to make sure you understand what this guy did. He did a hell of a job. All right? You see that? All right. He's contestant. Let me make this smaller. He's contestant number 2. See it over here? Contestant number 2. Now, if he by chance wins, you guys are going to pick the winner. I'm only going to pick my nose. All right? He's going to win something. So I'm going to show you, he can pick any one of these that I'm going to show you. See this thing here? It's called quillwheel.com. I make quill wheels that go on knee mills, bed mills, and mini mills. I've sold a shitload of them. People love these things. He can, depending on what kind of mill he's got, he can choose the one that fits his mill. I got a good selection. Okay, moving on quickly. See, this thing is called Vice Mate. You see it? That's what it looks like. Over here on the top left, the box is open. On the top right, the piece is out of the box. Over here, dead center, it shows Vice Mate with the box closed. On the right, it shows it open without Vice Mate in it. I'm showing you the part that goes in it. See it here? This thing is ideal to put angles. And the milling, you put this in the milling machine, Vice. You close the jaws on it. It's square, parallel, all that shit, right? And then you put a sign bar on it. One of our sign bars. You can get angles, minutes, seconds, degrees, all that shit, decimals. You can get whatever you want, not a fixed 10 degrees or 20. Get any angle you want, as long as you're using, let me go, one of these. See, we sell these. You could pick a sign bar. Let me blow this up. Hang on. See that? 3-inch sign bar. 3-inch center distance. See this width? Make note of that width. Put a pin in it. 3 inches, 600. They're all the same width. Here. Here's a 4-inch sign bar. 3-inch, 600. They're all the same height. They go on a compound. Alright? Let's go down here. 6-inch sign bar. Alright? Still 3-inch, 600. Right? 5-inch sign bar. Still 3-inch, 600. Alright? Let me do this. Let me back it up a little. The 3-inch sign bar, $130. 4-inch, $150. 5-inch, $160. 6-inch, $170. All right? You put one of them sign bars with this vice mate. You get any angle you want on out of a vice, right? You can use these sign bars on angle knees and whatever. This you know of, because you're participating. That's a lathe burnishing tool. That's what got you into this mess. All right. So this is all I got. I think this. Oh, wait a minute. Let me do this. I didn't. What an asshole. Hang on. I see a note here I missed. Burnishing, 510 RPMs. Turning, 300 and whatever. Turning, 385. Burnishing, 510. You see that? That's all. I missed it. But anyways, let me do this. So anybody who's going to enter this contest, I hope you see this. Send me a picture as straight as you can. Hold your camera straight, you understand? And make the picture as small as you possibly can. Send it to me, and I'll do the rest. All right? Let's try this on. The old thanks for watching routine. All right, guys? All right. I'll catch you later. You have a great day.